So this is my project. It's a car with automatic lights and remote controls. Here's a picture of the car that we made. I'll take a look at this circuit right now. In here, through the yellow wire, we have 9 volts coming in. This resistor value right here is 15K ohms. We have the voltage then runs through this 2N2222 transistor. We also have a photoresistor over here, which changes its resistance based on how much light it's exposed to. We also have a 1000 ohm resistor here to protect all 4 LEDs that are wired through these green and white wires and connected to the front and the back of the car. Now, when I put my finger on this resistor, the lights come on. Also, part of our project was making our lab view. Here, we have remote power controls, which lets the car drive. We have a meter for how much light the LEDs are exposed to, and our graphs, which show the voltage through the LEDs and the light level that the LEDs are exposed to. So now I'm going to show you this project working. You can see that the lights come on when I drive into the box, and my controls are working. Here on the computer screen, we can see that the LED brightness is at its most bright, it's dark, and up here, the voltage through the LEDs is the most, since they're at their brightest, and it's super dark. One thing, here, let's see. What I learned from Project 1, I'm going to show you what I wrote down, but I'm going to read it to you. By connecting our circuit, kind of like this, and connecting the photoresistor to the base of the 2N2222 transistor, we allow a dimming effect since the resistance changes. This also changes the current that's allowed to flow into the base of the transistor. By Ohm's law, we can also see that the voltage flowing to the LEDs increases and decreases with the changes in resistance value for the photoresistor. Another thing that I learned was when you have your circuit working, you should definitely kind of leave it alone. These are a little finicky. For the circle, our system is the car. The photoresistor in the circuit regulates the amount of light that comes in and changes its resistance based on how much light is exposed. The transistor then regulates the amount of voltage that's allowed to flow to the LEDs and changes our brightness. The computer then reads out the LED brightness level, it reads the voltage through the LEDs, and it controls the movement of the car based on the user. The car then responds to the movements in the lab view and also changes its light values. So I think that's about it, and thanks for listening to my project.